Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be using this Deluxe weaving net to do my weaves, and guys, this net is a lifesaver. It comes in twos, like this hard net, and the other one is light, like it's something you can use to do your ponies and all that. So that's what I'm going to be using, this particular one, and I am so excited about it. So guys, if you love this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. So first of all, in order to get a perfect shape, I'm going to be using my tape to measure it. You can actually measure it out on your dummy head, but I'm going to measure it on my bed, and I'm going to measure a 6 inches. So I'm going to go in with 6. Every angle is going to be 6, but on this other side I'm going to make it all the way down because I'm going to have to keep an end, like, you know, a tail for the pony, so I'll be able to wrap it around. But this top part is also going to be 6 inches, so that's what we're going to work with today. And while I'm cutting this part, I have to make a tail also, so I don't like cut everything straight down. I just stop at this side and then make an L with it to give me the tail, so I can actually get that part that I'm going to use to wrap the hair or add the extra braiding hair to this style. And like I said earlier, you can do this same pattern on the head of your mannequin. Just place it, use your pencil to mark it out. So guys, do not put the tail or the velcro at the left side, okay? Always make sure you pin it down at the right side of your mannequin head when you want to crochet whatever you want to crochet on, so you don't like miss the whole point or process of the velcro or the hand, okay? So that little piece is called the velcro or the hand. So for today's tutorial, I'm going to be using this product, which is called the Freetress braid, and the Brazilian braid 20-inch, and I'll be using the color 2 for today's tutorial. So guys, I would not cut this hair into 2 because I want this exact length, so I'm just gonna put it in just like that. And for the crocheting, I'm just gonna crochet normally. So if you want to crochet this, do not start directly from the place you cut or where you cut it, and I'm going to show you why I said this during the video, so keep watching. I'll be using this opportunity to remind you to subscribe to my channel, please, if you haven't, and ask whatever question you want to ask me, and I'll be always there to answer you guys, I promise. So guys, I'm just going to be applying the or installing the crochet hair just like this. I actually wanted to do it with I wanted to do this hair with an expression hair, but I wasn't just cut out for the whole stress, the whole hot water, the whole twisting and stuff, like, you know, you have to put it on a straw or on a spiral rod. I wasn't cut out for that. I just wanted something just simple, and this hairstyle took me, guys, I promise you, this hairstyle took me just 30 minutes. Like, if I wasn't even videoing, I'm sure I'd have even finished this hair as early as, I think, even maybe 25 minutes. It was that fast, guys, trust me. I just had to cut and, you know, do all these things and just install the hair, and that was it. There was no coiling, there was no nothing, and I literally wanted something that was gonna last me longer than how the expression braiding hair would last. And one thing people would not tell you is the braiding hair with the expression hair would definitely start shrinking, you know, but all the same, it's still gonna be cute, you know. For the main, while you do it, it's still gonna be cute. So guys, now the reason why I told you guys not to crochet at the beginning or at the end of your hair or on this net is because when you're done crocheting, you'd have to leave a space like what you're seeing right now. You have to leave a space so you can add your comb or brush or whatever you want to add, or your strap, you know, maybe you have this string to add, you just put this into two and just sew them together and add whatever you want to add, be it the comb or be it the strings, you know, you can just put those together. That's why it's always advisable for you not to crochet on the whole net, because you need the space to put in your comb and your strings or whatever you want to just use to hold your hair. Okay, so I just kept on filling up the spaces and making sure that the places I'm going to, like this top part, would be clean. It would be like very nice and presentable. And I literally love the fullness. I actually wanted this to be even fuller than this. I ended up using 2 packs, not really 2 packs, I think 1.5, but I literally wanted something even fuller than this right now. But I still love this, and I don't regret buying this at all. Like, it's cute. Just look at how it looks like now, guys. That's what I'm talking about. Oh, this is nice. So in order to do the Velcro, I had to get one of the colors that I like, and my attachment or expression here, I use the same color for, so it's gonna match. And I ended up adding more to this, but this is what I filmed, okay? But at last I ended up adding more hair or expression hair to this Velcro. So this is how you add it. You can start by adding little bits, okay? You don't really need to add as bulky as this. And I would advise you guys, if you want to cut your own, make sure you cut it thicker than this, okay? I don't know why I'm saying it now in the video. I am literally supposed to say it at the beginning, but yeah, if you get to this point, please cut your Velcro thicker than this, so you'll be able to like wrap it around. Or you can even add, okay, you can add like a very light strap, you know, just to make it thicker. So when you're wrapping it around your hair after the whole installation, it's going to be strong, and this extra braiding hair is going to come out fine. So that's just my mistake. That's one of the flaws I did after filming this whole video. And also, guys, don't use a short extra braiding hair, okay? Don't use a short extra braiding hair. Use like a cut 2 or a cut 3. I used a cut 4, which ended up being very short. So if you want to do yours, always use like a cut 3 or a cut 2. So I'm going to just add my oil, just spray the oil on my hair. And so for the next stage, I'll be showing you guys how to apply or sew in your comb, how to tack it down, and also I'll be showing you guys how I install this whole hair. I love this hair. Oh my god, I love it, guys, and trust me, I'm sure you would also love it too. So this is what it looks like inside out, and this is what it looks like outside. So I'm going to put this together down there like that, and then sew it in. So while sewing, I'm going to add my comb. But you have to sew it around first, then you add your comb, okay? But you really don't practically need to sew it down. So for my comb, I'm going to be using this spring wig clip side combs. It comes in 3, guys, so it's very affordable. I think I got it for like $1 or 99 cents, so it was really cheap for just 3, like for 3. So I just place it in front, that's on the same roll of where the Velcro is, and I also place the other one at the bottom directly under this hair I am sewing together. So you make sure you sew them round. And I forgot to tell you guys, while you're doing the Velcro, just leave like 3 space or like few inches of space where you can use to like wrap your hair around, and then you use the hair you added to the Velcro to just make it more beautiful. You can use this style for different hairstyles, even straight weave-ons. Okay, so that is what I did. Now this is what it looks like. So I added the two. Now I'm going to be taking down my hair, and this is what I look like. So guys, if you want me to have or show you guys a video of how I made this hair, you can leave a comment in the comment section, so I'll know you want me to do this hair, to show you guys how I made this hair with my very short hair. So don't forget, when you finish doing the whole wrapping on the hair, you always use your bobby pin to like pin it down to hold it for a longer period of time. Okay, so please, if you enjoy this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please like the video, drop a comment in the comment section below if you want to see how I did these braids on my head, how I did the whole pattern. Leave a comment in the comment section below. I'll be glad to help or to film this whole process. It literally didn't take me so long to do this. I actually did the whole hair in just like, that's the braid and this ponytail. I did everything in just like 2 hours. I was done, or yeah, an hour and 2 hours, let's just say 2 hours. Okay, yeah, but yeah guys, it's a wrap. And don't forget, like I said, to subscribe. I love you all. I'll be seeing you guys on my next video. Bye. Stay blessed, stay beautiful, stay happy. I love you.